In this video, I will show you how to make single page landscape in Google Docs like this. As you can see in this document, the first page is portrait, second page is landscape, and third page is again portrait. So basically you can change the orientation of multiple pages in a single document. Let's get started. If you want to make a single page landscape, just select all the contents of the page like this, then right click on it, and now you will see here option change page to landscape. This is a new feature introduced in Google Docs recently. Just click on this change page orientation and the page will be converted to landscape. Now let's see, if you want to change this page to portrait, just select it and click on change page to portrait, and the second page will be portrait. Similarly, for the diagrams, for example, this is landscape, we can change it to portrait or back to landscape like this. If you have a table which you want to fit in landscape page, just click on the table and change page to landscape. If this video solved your problem, please subscribe and don't forget to press that bell notification icon so that whenever I post a useful new video like this, you will get the notification immediately. See you again in the next video.